Hello, I am your instructor in the Google Consent Mode version 2 course with Complianz and Google Tag Manager, and I want to tell you why this course can mark a before and after in how you manage cookie consent on your website. In this course, you will learn how to implement Google Consent Mode step by step, clearly, practically, and without the need for programming. We will use WordPress, Complianz, and Google Tag Manager, and I will guide you from scratch to properly set up the entire consent system. We will work with ready-to-use templates, you will see how to configure your tags, and you will learn how to verify if everything is working well from the console and Google Tag Manager. This course is designed so that anyone can master consent mode with ease. It is a simple course to complete, divided into very visual blocks with real examples. And the best part, at the end, you will receive your official certificate to validate your knowledge and apply it in your projects, clients, or team. Are you ready to take your legal compliance and your campaigns to the next level? See you inside the course.